Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abject. 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 Abject is an adjective used to describe a condition or situation of extreme hopelessness, misery, or degradation. It signifies a state of being extremely low, unfortunate, or lacking self-respect. Examples: 1. The refugees were living in abject poverty, with no access to basic necessities. In this sentence, abject poverty refers to a state of extreme and desperate poverty. 2. Her abject failure in the exam left her feeling utterly defeated. Here, abject failure conveys a sense of complete and devastating failure. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.